Sa mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako si Godfrey Quizon and this is my devotion for today, December 10. And ang topic po natin for today is bakit tinawag si Jesus na Lion of Judah? So, Lion of Judah, ano po ba yun? So, calling Jesus the Lion of Judah proclaims his royal authority, unstoppable power, and victorious rule promised from the tribe of Judah. In Genesis chapter 49 po, verse 10, God declares that the scepter will not depart from Judah, pointing forward to a king whose dominion will never end, and Jesus is that promised lion. He conquers sins, defeats evil, protects his people, and establishes God's righteous kingdom on earth and in our hearts. His kingship brings courage, hope, and confidence that no enemy can overturn his reign. Ang ating scripture for today is Genesis chapter 49 verse 10. Basahin ko po. The scepter will not depart from Judah, nor the ruler's staff from between his feet, until he whom it belongs shall come, and the obedience of the nations shall be his. So, isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat, sa Diyos po lahat ng papurian. And yung topic po natin for today is all about Jesus, the Lion of Judah. So, ibig sabihin po nito na ang ating Panginoon sa Kristo, ang Messiah, ang ating Panginoon ay He is already foreshadowed in many books in the Old Testament, dahil sabi nga po ng ating Panginoon na dahil sa Kanya or lahat ng bagay sa Old Testament ay about sa Kanya. So, ibig sabihin, marami po kasi nagtataka dito na sinasabi na ang ating Panginoon na isang New Testament lang makikita. Pero it's not the case po, dahil ang ating Panginoon sa Kristo is already foreshadowed in Genesis, already foreshadowed in the first chapters of Genesis, diba? So, it means na ang ating Panginoon sa Kristo talaga ay one with God, and we can take yung sa Bible na sinasabi nilang marami na Jesus is not the Son of God daw. So, of course, we must have a good theology and good understanding sa Biblia and sa ating Panginoon in order for us to discern the truth. So, teaching something for today is the scepter shall not depart from Judah, and of course, ang ating Panginoon nito, the Shiloh, who owns the scepter will come, and the obedience of the nation is his. So, sa ating Panginoon, lahat deserve ng ating Panginoon, lahat ng obedience, lahat ng faithfulness, and of course, the kaharian ng ating Panginoon will never depart from this earth, kasi ang ating Panginoon, yung heaven niya, of course, Jesus, diba, binaba niya yung heaven para sa atin, and of course, itong binaba ng ating Panginoon will never depart from his believers. So, ayun lang po, ako si Godfrey Quizon, and this is my devotion for today, December 10. Sana po ay marami kayong tutunan. Ayun lang po, and God bless.